How to fade in and out audio in Audacity. To begin, I imported an audio and I want to fade in its start and fade out its end. Select around 2 seconds of the start of the audio. Now go to Effect, Fading, and choose Fade In. And now we faded in the start of audio. Now select around 2 seconds of the end of the audio. Now go to Effect, Fading, and choose Fade Out. And now we fade out the end of the audio, and we can save this file. But now let's say fading is a command that we use a lot, so it's best to create a macro once, and use it multiple times for other audio clips. Undo the changes. From Tools menu, click on Macro Manager. Click on New button and enter a name for the macro. Select the new macro and click on Insert button. Click on any of the commands and press S, which is the first letter of select command, to find it. Select the select command and click OK. Double-click on the select command to open its properties. Set start time to 0 and end time to 2, relative to project start, and click OK. This will select the first 2 seconds of the audio. Now click on Insert button again, find Fade In command, and add it. Move the Fade In command after the select command. Once again click on Insert button and add the select command again. Move the select command after the Fade In. Double-click on the select command, set relative to project end, and click OK. Last 2 seconds of the audio is selected, and it's time to fade it out. Insert a Fade Out command. Move the fade out after the select command. At last, save this macro and close this window. Now just go to Tools, Apply Macro, and select your macro. And now my audio fades in and out automatically. Anyway guys, thanks for watching and I hope you found this useful.